Hi there, and welcome to another edition of Wild Goose Adventures. David here, and so glad to have you along. You know, it wasn't that long before 2022, it was just starting. There was so much to do and so much potential. And now here we are, almost in the blink of an eye, looking at 2023. Before we get into the new year, I just wanted to have a little dive back into 2022 and just check out all the things that we've been up to. We started off the year with a little trip to Sydney, checking out some of the great waterways and wing surfing spots on the way, visiting family and friends, and basically just having a hoot of a time. A particular mention was Lake Macquarie. We also went to Southwest Rocks and of course Port Macquarie. What a fantastic time we had there. On the way back, it looked like it was starting to rain. And indeed, it rained, and it rained, and it rained, and we got major flooding all the way through the east coast of Australia. The floods took a terrible toll on places like Fraser Island, and I was compelled to go over and do my little part for this special place. So far, we've collected a bit of rubbish. The other significant event was a cyclone combining with the floods to create a breakthrough on Bribie Island, which had a long-term and significant effect on the Pumicestone Passage and in particular Golden Beach. Not long after that, it was time to head north and have an adventure north, and I went to Cairns, checking out all the cool things, all the waterfalls and all of the beautiful places that is majestic Cairns. And along the way I ran the gauntlet with the crocodiles at Yorkeys Knob and went foiling. Before having a close-up encounter with the world's most dangerous bird, cassowaries, and they are beautiful as well as dangerous. With the dirty water came some infection in the water, and so I succumbed and ended up in hospital, and I was told there that indeed the infection had got into my toe and into the bone and that it had to be removed. Hence, I had 3 months off sitting around just recovering and appreciating that I still could walk and do things. As we got closer to the end of that time, I was able to get onto the bike and then jump onto the wing on the skateboard and have a hoot of a time. I also decided to move the boat further south, out of Hervey Bay into the fresh clean waters of Tin Can Bay. As my foot got better, I found Golden Beach. But more than Golden Beach and the foiling here, I also found a kind of kinship, my own tribe if you like. And John and Cindy and Rowan and the list goes on, were fantastic. I found people that I could talk to and just be part of, and so I wanted to include that. And also, as the time goes on, you're going to see a little bit more of them. I'd like to take some more photos and include their wonderful skills on the way. That's it for Wild Goose Adventures 2022. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming along for the ride. I really appreciate all your support. I know that this probably wasn't the way that I was intending it all to go, but nonetheless, life's like that, and so it's just documenting all the adventures that I can have, and I hope you've appreciated the journey as you ride it with me. So 2023 is coming up. There's a whole heap of things that are planned, and I'm really looking forward to what's going to happen. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you hang around to see it and come and join them with me. So as we head into 2023, have a safe Christmas, have a fantastic new year, and until next time, smooth sailing.